we know our caliber and potential? I'm sure you will be saying, oh yes, I know. Great. Then you must be satisfied with whatever you have achieved so far. Do you feel that you could have done better in your education or even in your career? If you feel in that way, then please hang on for a few more minutes and watch the video till the end. Let's first understand what genetic brain profile is. First, it is purely a scientific process where through fingerprint scan we come to know the potential and characteristics of the individual. You must be thinking, knowing about a person through a fingerprint scan? Are you serious? Yes, it is possible. Because scientifically it has been proven that our fingerprints are mapped with each section of our brain. For example, the fingerprint of our left thumb is mapped with the right prefrontal lobe of our brain. Similarly, the index finger of the right hand is mapped with the frontal lobe of the brain. Which frontal? Left frontal of the brain. So right finger is mapped with the left brain, left fingers are mapped with the right brain. So it is like this. Now, the prefrontal lobe is responsible for execution. The frontal is for thinking. The left segment of the brain controls the non-living kind of things. For example, when we think about money, house, car, furniture, all these things. Then those things are controlled from our left brain. The right segment of the brain is responsible for people or any living object. It could be people, it could be pets, animals, plant, and all these kind of things. And along with that, artistic nature comes from the right side of our brain. So, I'll be sharing a report, snippet of the real report after hiding the person's name to protect the privacy, so that you can understand how the fingerprint can talk about various different segments or sections of the brain. Through our fingerprint pattern, we can understand our learning potential. How do we prefer to learn? Say for example, do we prefer to learn by reading, writing, by doing experiment, so on and so forth? Can we mingle with people easily? Or it is difficult for us? Do I feel that the other person should come and speak to me first, or I am open enough to move forward and meet the person? Am I a dominating person or an influencing person? Am I a goal-oriented person or not? Do I have an interactive personality or affective or cognitive personality? All these things we can come to know from our fingerprint scan. Alright, I understand that through the fingerprint we could know so much about ourselves. But what is the practical aspect of this knowledge? Well, using these factors, using the genetic brain profile, I can suggest something or some aspects for all of you. We shall know how much self-confidence, efficiency, accuracy, patience the person has or will have based on what we can predict, what all mistakes they may make in life, and prepare them accordingly. Moving on to the adults. What will be the career stream? Shall I work in an organization or I have a potential to start my own business? If I am working, then shall I work in administrative division or HR, that is human resource division, or as a trainer, or as a purchase or finance division, or in the manufacturing sector, or in an IT, or in a creative or media sector? Everything can be found again from this report. I can also assist you with your growth pattern, whether your growth will be fast or moderate, whether you will be able to satisfy your career or run your career in the management track or pure technology track. That also can be determined. So what do you feel right now? Are you still planning to visit someone who will tell about your future, but you do not know how is he or she is predicting? Or you choose to be with the science where along with the report and explanation you will be given an understanding of how this information has been derived. Everything will be crystal clear in front of your eyes. Hope you have enjoyed the information. I hope this information will be or is valuable for you, and I hope you will be with the science and you will explore this opportunity, the golden opportunity I would say, to know yourself, know your family members accurately. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.